Now listen. Ngọc, what's the matter?
I want to know.
You have a runny nose? Okay, thank you. And sit down. Bob, what's the matter?
I have a cough.
You have a cough. Okay, thank you. Sit down. What's the matter?
I don't want to know.
You have a runny nose? Okay, now sit down. How about you? What's the matter?
I have been hot.
You have a cough? Okay, thank you. What about you? What's the matter?
I am angry.
You are angry?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, sit down. What's the matter?
I am cold.
You are cold?
Yes.
All right. What's the matter?
I am cold.
You are cold? Okay. How about you?
I'm hot.
You are hot? Okay. What's the matter?
Hot.
You are hot? Okay. What's the matter? I have a...
Cold.
You have a cold? Okay. Who are you? What's the matter?
I have a runny nose.
You have a runny nose? Okay. What's the matter?
Hot.
You have a cold? Okay.